What really defines a woman in the eyes of the law? The UK Supreme Court has just dropped a landmark ruling, and it's sending shockwaves through the country. After years of heated debate, legal wrangling, and rising tensions, the UK Supreme Court has made a groundbreaking decision. The legal definition of a woman is now officially based on biological sex. This isn't just a quiet legal footnote. This decision could ripple through policies on single-sex spaces, public institutions, and equality rights across the nation. So, how did we get here? It all started back in 2018, when the Scottish Government introduced a bill aimed at improving gender balance on public boards. The proposal included trans women, those who have legally changed their gender, as part of the female count. That move sparked a fierce legal battle from women's rights campaigners, who argued it blurred the line set out in the Equality Act 2010. Fast forward 6 years, and today, the UK's highest civil court has given a crystal clear answer. For the purposes of the law, woman and sex mean biological woman and biological sex. Delivering the ruling, Lord Hodge, Deputy President of the Supreme Court, didn't downplay the intensity of the debate. He acknowledged the pain and passion on both sides. Lord Hodge was firm. The court's job isn't to decide policies, but to interpret the law as written by Parliament. And legally speaking, the Equality Act ties the word woman to biology, not gender identity. But does this mean trans people lose protections? Not at all. In fact, Lord Hodge stressed that trans people still have robust legal safeguards, including protection from discrimination, harassment, and indirect prejudice, with or without a gender recognition certificate. Still, the ruling has lit up reactions across the political and social landscape. Conservative Party leader Kami Benedo welcomed the verdict, saying it reinforces the original intent of the law. On the other side, Sasha Deshmukh, Chief Executive of Amnesty International UK, struck a more cautious tone. His organisation intervened in the case, arguing for the protection of trans rights. And let's be real, this is a highly emotional issue. It touches identity, safety, dignity, and the law all at once. The decision is already stirring debate over what it means for women-only spaces, like changing rooms, hospital wards, or prisons, and whether new legislation will be needed to clarify the rules. Legal expert and BBC correspondent Katrina Rennan summed up the moment perfectly, but the story doesn't end here. Whether you're cheering or concerned, this ruling is a major moment in the UK's ongoing debate over sex, gender, and equality. What happens next, especially in Parliament, could shape how these rights evolve for years to come. So, what do you think? Should sex and gender be legally separate? Or is this ruling long overdue? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on stories that shape the UK. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover style script version or visual suggestions to go with this story. 40